And when you introduce kettlebells to your people now, because you've been training so many people, now I also know your end people are who are they. She is doing बॉडी बिल्डिंग, तो मुझे मालूम है कि उसका अप्रोच बॉडी बिल्डिंग का होगा. ये बंदा एमएमए कर रहा है, तो मुझे मालूम है ये जब भी केटलबेल उसके पास क्लाइंट अगर सिखाने के लिए आएगा या खुद सीखेगा तो एमएमए के बारे में ही ज्यादा बात करेगा, राइट. दिस पर्सन इज इनटू द स्पोर्ट, सो ही विल ऑलवेज स्पीक अबाउट व्हाट ही हैज देयर इज इन माइंड. Always remember that. This person is into calisthenics, so he wants to speak about why to lift the weights. I can do push-ups, I can do reverse hand pull stuff, like anything with the calisthenics you can do. You can do balancing exercise. He's gonna speak about that because that is his expertise. Yes or no? People, he will not say sir आप मैं calisthenics expert हूँ, मैं आपको kettlebell सिखाता हूँ. ऐसा अप्रोच तो होगा नहीं, राइट. सो इसका calisthenics कैसे अच्छा करना है kettlebells को लेके, ये मेरा काम है आज के दिन का. ये बॉडी बिल्डिंग कर रही है, तो हाउ कैन आई improve her muscle quality? This would be my workshop's agenda today. This person is from the sports background. How I can basically improve his conditioning with the kettlebell so that he'll be able to get better in his sport. This person is from MMA, and how I can make his movement very fast with the kettlebells would be my agenda today. But everything is coming with the science, backed up with the science. She is from maybe probably she's a housewife. कुछ नहीं करती हो. She want to lose weight. Okay, for example. So my approach with this process would be with the kettlebells, how I can help her to lose weight, because her goal is first, right? She want to lose the weight first. That is her primary goal. Every person is a different, having a different. आपकी शादी हो रहेंगी तो आपके बच्चे, आपकी फैमिली मेंबर्स को भी एक्चुअली केटलबेल्स यूज करने के लिए किस तरीके से सिखा सकते हो, ये भी एजेंडा है अपने प्रोग्राम्स में. तो वर्कशॉप टेक अवे इज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. नाउ यू हैव टू बेसिकली जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि how you can give this information to your further end people so that these people start using kettlebells and we can grow this community. Ultimately the goal is to grow the community, right?